Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up travelers renters insurance coverage selection easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin setting up your travelers renters insurance coverage, visit the travelers website. Look for the option labeled renters insurance. Click on it to access the renters insurance page. You should see various coverage options available. Start by clicking Get a Quote to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Fill in your zip code and click Next. Next, provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and contact details. Once completed, click Next to proceed. Now, you will need to specify the address of the rental property. Enter the address accurately and click Next again. Next, you will be asked about your housing situation. Indicate whether you rent an apartment, house, or another type of dwelling. After this, you will need to select the type of coverage you desire. Review the basic coverage options such as personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. Consider how much personal property coverage you need. Travelers often provides recommended amounts based on your personal belongings. You can adjust these amounts as necessary. Then, review optional coverages, such as identity theft protection or scheduled personal. Make selections based on your personal needs and preferences. Once you have reviewed everything, proceed to the next page. You may be asked about any discounts you qualify for, such as bundling with auto insurance. Provide the necessary information to maximize your potential savings. After submitting your information, review your quote carefully. Ensure all details are accurate and reflect your needs. If satisfied, you can proceed to finalize your application. Follow the prompts for payment options and select your preferred method. Complete your purchase by entering any required information. After your payment is processed, you will receive confirmation of your renter's insurance policy. Keep a copy of the policy details for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.